Hello everyone, this is Harpreet, a professional photographer in Paris. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I export my photos for Instagram in Photoshop.
Preview. Preview.
Suppose you did amazing editing with beautiful color grading and amazing detail on your photos, but when you post your photos on Instagram, it looks different. Less colors, less sharpness, because Instagram compress your photos. So if it happens every time with you, this video for you guys. So we are back in Photoshop. This photo clicked by amazing photographer Nath Portraits. You can follow him on Instagram also. So first of all, you have to crop your photos in Instagram size 4:5 ratio. So go to crop tool, click on 4:5 ratio, and this is a 4:5 ratio. You have to make your composition, set your composition and hit enter. Then go to image size, and this is very important settings. So you have to click on revolution 280. I'm not using 300 always actually, and never use 300x, and height will be 2000 and width automatically filled by Photoshop. Resample checked, automatic, hit OK. And this is our Instagram size. So you have to go to file, save a copy, save on computer, and format always JPEG, hit save. Remember these settings: quality 12, maximum large file, progressive checked, scans 3, hit OK, and that's it. With this setting, Instagram never ever touch your photo. You can check my work on Instagram also, so you can see my photos look so beautiful, more sharper in Instagram, because I export all photos with these settings. If you have any question, let me know in comments. Please like and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.